I'm Aaron Wilson. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for SolarOne. We're based out of North Texas. We do work all across the nation. Our main focus is C&I solar, distributed generation, behind the meter. Typically, we're working on an industrial facility where fine-tuning the process, the procedure, how we interact together is of critical importance, short-term and long-term. So a big part of our industry's success will be on having a holistic strategy around we build, design, engineer, and ultimately have O&M, processes and procedures, structure around how we ensure these assets perform over a long period of time. And so SolarOne is very vertically integrated. So we handle all of those functions: development, design, engineering, procurement, construction, and O&M. So we really want to try to maintain some consistency across that full life cycle of a project. And once again, we feel that that's really important for our industry as we mature to take on, more of the work in one house versus more fragmented across various institutions. When we sit down in a boardroom and we pitch a design, they trust that we've done our homework, not just to find the lowest cost option, right? But to find an option that serves their interest best. When SolarEdge came in and talked to us about their product offering, I wanted to make sure this is something that served my client's interest best. It's not just one item or one attribute of their product that really won us over. It has a lot of various benefits, and you really need to take a step back and look at SolarEdge as almost like a product supplier that doesn't have a peer in the space. They provide some functionality and some features that you just can't get elsewhere. And ultimately, whenever we listened to their pitch, we heard them out, we looked at the long-term nature of, like the levelized cost of energy, right? We're running models. We're finding that case after case after case, their product over the long term is superior to anything else out there. The vast majority of the inverter manufacturers that are in the marketplace are offering a very standardized product. They're a herd. They're moving as a herd. And then you have SolarEdge, who is advancing things in new and unique ways that the rest of the herd is not doing. And I think that's notable. I think that that's important. And at the end of the day, it's solving my client's problems, which is solving our industry's problems. And so I commend SolarEdge from getting out of that comfort zone, okay? For someone like SolarOne, and for our clients, it allows us to deploy that same standard of high quality product across a whole fleet, irrespective of roof, ground, canopy, different utility metrics or districts that we're dealing in. It's going to be a product that is unsurpassed. And so I think that their willingness to advance technology where we sit today is exciting. I think that I'm also excited about where they're going to continue to advance technology in the future and continue to solve problems of our industry, seen or unseen at this point. And so for us, strategically aligning with SolarEdge as a kind of a standard offering has been very thoughtful. We have not moved to SolarEdge because everyone else is doing it or because of a particular client, inquiring about it. We've moved that way because of their leadership in their respective category of inverters. That's domestic content, that's safety, that's optimization across the board. So we're excited to where they're going to go and what they're going to continue to solve that helps us solve our clients' needs with regards to efficiency and safety.